So in this video, I'm going to discuss the LEETCODE 341 weekly contest test problem, minimum additions to make valid string. So if you have any doubt regarding this after I solve this, so you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. I'll pin them. So to understand the problem, it is stated that we have to make all of the strings in a valid string. And what is a valid string? A valid string is a string which is uh, a string of ABCs. Okay, so ABC will be repeated any number of times. So you have to find the minimum operation to make this is a valid string. What is the operation? You can add a B or C to any position you feel like. So that is the basic operation. So that is basically what the question tells us. Now to understand the problem, you need to think about the test cases. Okay, there are a few test cases. So let's say if the let's say the string contains only one character, that is the length of the string is 1. So no matter if it's a you have to add BC, if it is a B you have to add AC, and if it's a C you have to add AB. So if it is 1, you can return 2. Okay, so this is the basic case. So what is the base case? The base case is if string of length 1, then you have to return 2. Okay, after you're done with this base case, now you have to check for all the elements. Okay, now what is the thing that you have to check for all positions at which you can do the insertions. So for AAA, okay, so for this AAA, where the insertion is possible, the insertion is possible over here, over here, over here, and over here. Okay, at every insertion, so if you notice one thing, this insertion is before position 0, this is between 0 and 1, this is between 1 and 2, and this is beyond 2. Okay, so for this before 0 and beyond 2, you have to do it manually. That is, if before 0 there is an A, so you don't need to put anything over here, right? But if there was a B, you have to put a, and if there was a C, you have to put AB, right? So there are two conditions. That is, if at the first position it is an A, you don't have to put anything. But if it is a B, then you have to put 1. So let's say the result is the thing that you're going to output. So result is initially 0. So if the first position is containing B, then you can make result as 1. And if the first position is C, then you can make result as 2. Okay, so this is the basic thing. And this almost the same thing goes for the last position also. If the last position is A, then you have to add BC. And if it is B, then you have to add C. And if it is C already, so you don't need to add anything. So that is also, it is going to be result. Let's say for this result was initially at A, so it will be 0, it won't be changed. So after this position it is A, so how many do we need to add? 2, right? So we make it 2. So you get, so what we are going to say, like let's say the thing was like B dot 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 something A. So for B it is 1, right? So result was initially 0. For B it became 1, and then for A it became 1 plus 2, that is 3. So this would have been the situation for the extremist positions. And for all the intermediate positions, you know how to do it. You have to run a loop and check for all the intermediate positions. If both the elements, let's say now there comes sub cases. Okay, sub cases. So what are the sub cases? The elements can be AA, AB, AC. The element can be BA, BB, BC. The elements can be CA, CB, and CC. Okay, for AA, in between them you have to add a BC. So what you are going to do? Result plus 2. For AB, it is okay, it is well and fine, well and good. So result plus 0. For AC, you have to add a B, so that is result plus 1. For BA, you have to add a C over here, so that ABC and ABC. Okay, so result plus 1. For BB, you have to add a C and A over here, right? ABC, ABC. Okay, so result plus 2. For BC, you have to do nothing, so result plus 0. For CA, you have to add nothing. No, CA, yeah, you have to add nothing. Okay, so result plus 0. For CB, A, B, C, A. So you have to add an A over here. So that is result plus 1. And for CC, you have to add A, B, C, A, B, C. So that is result plus 2. So you get this, right? What we have to add, depending on what we have to add, the length, we plus that with the result. So these are the sub cases. So notice the sub cases. So once you get this, you're going to get the whole answer. So let's do the checking with this one. A, A. So for this position, so result is initially 0. For this position, it is A, so it remains 0. For this position, once we check, we have to add BC, so the result becomes 2. For this position, right, it is between A and A. So see what is A and A, result plus 2. So result plus 2, that is 4. Then again this position, what is this? Between A and A. What is between A and A? Result plus 2. That is 6. So what is the answer? The answer is 6. So that's how it works. For ABC, for the first position, it is A. So do we need to add anything? No, we don't need to add anything. So result remains 0. And the last position is C. Do we need to add anything? No, we don't need to add anything. So result remains 0. For this A and B, what is between A and B? A and B, result plus 0. So it becomes 0 only because it is plus 0. For B and C, what is it? B and C is sorry. This is not B and C. This is B and C. For B and C, result plus 0, right? So it remains 0. So that's the reason we are getting 0. So this is how the code works. This is a very simple code. So I hope you get it. If you don't get it, then you can like Discord and Instagram is already there. You can even like judge. You can even post your confusions in the comment section. You're open to do that. That's it. Thank you.